Some people look at this or hear it and they say, this is kind of sexual. How do you respond to that?
Well, ASMR is not meant to be sexual. It's not meant to be sexual at all. I feel like there are people that have made it sexual, depending on the content creator or the viewer. But it's not the foundation of ASMR. It's not what we stand for, and it's not what it's meant to be.
But is that a bad, I mean, if someone feels sexual or sexual arousal as a result of these sounds, they're getting that tingling. So is that a bad thing?
Well, it's called a brain orgasm and a brain tingle for a reason. It's in the brain. Usually, I don't think that people experience tingles down there, but I kind of stay away from that kind of content. But there is actual content that's ASMR and sexual.
Someone argued that the first sexual tingle actually starts in the brain. I mean, it's that's where it starts, and then it manifests to the rest of the body, but it starts in the brain. What you're seeing, what you're hearing, what you're feeling. Julia, what are you finding as far as the demographic for these videos?
Yeah, so one thing that I would say in support of the fact that it's not a sexual experience is that there needs to be a differentiation between ASMR videos and the content that comes and the feeling that is ASMR. So ASMR is a term used to describe a feeling in the same way that happiness is a term used to describe a feeling. And things that can trigger happiness might be very different, and in the same way that things that are used for ASMR content can be very different. And there is a difference between ASMR content and the feeling of ASMR itself. And the feeling of ASMR itself is a distinctly non-sexual feeling. We have shown that you get reductions in heart rate when you experience ASMR, and this is exactly the opposite of what you would expect if it was a sexually arousing experience. So in terms of the kinds of people that are more able to experience ASMR, there has been some previous research looking at personality characteristics. People who are more open to experience are more likely to experience ASMR than people who aren't, for example. And in terms of what people use ASMR for, I mean, you really only need to look on YouTube videos and the comments to know that people are using these videos for all sorts of things. It's really helping lots of people with things like insomnia, anxiety, depression, just for, increasing relaxation. People are really using these videos a lot to help them.
Samantha, let me ask you, do people have to pay for the videos? Are the videos free? Or the audios? Is this a kind of a money exchange thing? Or it's just, I want to make the world feel good?
Well, it depends on the artist, but on YouTube, it's free. There are ways that they can support us as content creators to get better equipment and everything. There's Patreons that a lot of people do. A lot of people actually do, I guess, personalized videos where the person will pay them to create a video that's, specific to the trigger that they like to do.
So speaking of that now, I mean, money enters the picture sometimes. What do you think the future for ASMR is?
Okay, well, maybe there will be an ASMR clinic that pops up one day. But I feel like a lot of therapists will start to kind of utilize this ASMR as kind of like a method to help people get through episodes. If they're having like a episode where they're having a panic attack or whatnot, ASMR could be a really good tool to use to distract someone from that feeling that they're feeling at that time.
Yeah, this is great. I think people should try it. I think that, maybe there will be a clinic where you can stop in for 15 minutes during a stressful day and hear some or see some ASMR and off you go. So Julia and Samantha, thank you so much.